The Fibonacci rule, page 46.
Is a series of numbers in which the next number is the sum of numbers before it.
Lesson outline, the Fibonacci rule, the golden ratio, and harmonic sequence.
Formulas we can use. Fibonacci of n equals Fibonacci of n minus 1 plus Fibonacci n minus 2. Or x sub n equals x sub n minus 1 plus x sub n minus 2.
Let us construct a table to easily visualize the succeeding terms of the Fibonacci sequence. We have the number of terms, or n, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on.
And we have n term of the sequence, which is 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 12, 34, 55.
Example, get the 11th term of the first 10 numbers. For here, the formula we are going to use is fib of n equals fib of n minus 1 plus fib n minus 2. Since we are trying to get the 11th term, we are going to put the 11th term in the number of terms. So now we have fib of 11 equals fib of 11 minus 1 plus fib of 11 minus 2. We just minus the 11 to the 1 and to the 2. So we get fib 11 equals fib 10 minus fib of 9. Since we have fib of 11 and fib of 9, we are going to find the nth term of the sequence. Since we have 9 and 10, we are going to put 55 and 34. Add them both up and we have fib of 11 equals 89.
Next we have the Fibonacci rule below 0.
Example, find the negative fourth term of the sequence below 0. Number of terms. We have negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. And we have the nth term of the sequence, which is negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. So we have x sub negative n equals negative 1 over n plus 1 sub x n. Since we have negative 4 as an nth term, we are going to put the 4 on the nth place. So now we have x sub negative 4 equals negative 1 with 4 plus 1 x sub 4. Since we have the fourth term, we are going to find the numbers of term the fourth value, I guess, which is 3. So now we're going to put that on the x. So now we have x sub negative 4 equals negative 1 with fifth power, I guess, and 3. So if we multiply negative 1 to number 3, we get x sub negative 4 equals negative 3.
Good morning. Please wake up. Ohayo gozaimasu.
Next but not the least, the golden ratio.
Example, what is the 10th term of the Fibonacci sequence? So the formula we are going to use is x sub n equals golden ratio sub n minus 1 minus golden ratio over 10 and over ratio 5. Since we are using the golden ratio, we are going to put 1.618034. So we have x sub 10 equals 1.618034 with the 10th power minus 1.618034 of 10th with the 10th power over ratio 5. So if we multiply 1.618034 over 10 minus 1.618034, and if we get the answer and times it by 10 and divided by ratio 5, we get 55.0000382. And if we round that off by the number next to it, then you get x sub n equals 55.